Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install the UIPath. For this, first of all, you have to just open your preferred browser. After this, just write down here UIPath, press enter. So click on the first link which is coming here, uipath.com. For this, you have to just click on try UIPath free. And now you have to just register here just to download it, because it's not directly downloadable. Okay, I've already logged into this, so let me show you again. I will just log out from this one. So see, after opening the page of uipath.com, you will click on try UiPath free. Okay, now certain options are coming, so just start with the Google, or you can use another option like Microsoft and LinkedIn also, but I just prefer the Google. Log in with your user ID and password. Oh, password was wrong. I will just again try. So you have to here just enter your company name. If you are just having your company name, then you can just write it down here. Otherwise, if you're just using it for learning purpose, then you may enter any name. Your country, like it's India. Terms of use, I don't want to get updated or informed. If you want to get updated and informed, then you can check on this checkbook also, and this is continue. Okay, and then the screen is flashing here. You're able to certain options like services, user licenses, or logs. You don't have to do anything of this. You just, on the right hand side, you're able to see design your workflows in the UiPath Studio. What you have to do is just click on the download studio slash studio X, because this is the software in which you can build your automation process. UiPath is the mostly used, most preferred software for automating the business processes. So that's why I'm downloading it, and you can also download the same. It's approximately of 275 MB. It's getting downloaded. Just wait for the open when done. You can click on the option. If you want to learn how to execute the first robot, you can also learn from here. You can just use, you can also check out your certain options yourself also. But I'm only going to download it. If the speed of internet is slow today, just taking some time. 59 seconds. Actually, I have already clicked on the exe file, so it's running. So you just have to here click on install anyway. See here certain options are coming like let's activate, add license key, acquire license key, community license. As we are not having the license, so we'll start with the community license. Actually it's free, no license key is required, click on this one. It's UiPath Studio Pro community, it's UiPath Studio X community. So it's for businesses, it's for simplicity. I will click on this one. It's the little update. Continue. In this way, it's downloaded. You can also see the short introduction video, tutorials, how to work in this, and the academy also. Just close it down, open your local project, or you can start with a new one. Just close it out. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel, you should subscribe to it.